Hello. We are going to study two-digit numbers, Group A. Find the sum. Find the sum by using the table. When we drag down the chip one time, the number increases by 10. We round up 19 to 20, then take away 1. Remember, when we drag to the left side, a number decreases by 1. Make an addition sentence using the cards. We should add any two numbers here, to make 11. Find the difference. 6 minus 7. We need one more. 80 minus 30 is equal to 50, then minus 1 that we have, equal to 49.